Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Val and I am a mom entrepreneur. Sa ating channel guys, na pag-uusapan dito ay tungkol sa mga negosyo tips, business ideas, and creative ways on how to do business. Now, if you want to be a part of our family, if you want to get notified and have more negosyo and business ideas tips, I want you to subscribe, click the notification bell so you will be getting latest updates from us. Yung clip na pinakita ko sa inyo guys ay ito yung gatas na lagi kong iniinom everyday, and it brings a lot of benefits, and I think very useful siya ngayon na may COVID guys, to boost our immune system. Tinatawag ko din po siyang miracle milk kasi may nangyari po sa akin way back April. Parang may nagbago sa katawan ko at that time when I was starting to drink this milk guys. Now, if you want to hear about my story of that milk, I will be sharing it by the end of this video guys. At pagkatapos kong nakita na may resulta siya, is nag-start na rin po kaming magbenta ng gatas na ito. So, nagpa-member po kami at saka nagbebenta po kami nito online. If interesado po kayo na bumili ng gatas na iniinom ko, ang tinatawag kong miracle milk, message nyo lang po ako sa Facebook ko, and then we will be telling you how much because meron po kasing sachet tsaka meron siyang can. So, if interesado kayo at meron kayong mga inquiries about sa gatas na yon, message nyo lang ako, and then let's discuss how to ship, or let's discuss more about the milk guys. So, again, hindi po siya sponsored ng ALPHA Lipid, at ini-introduce ko lang po yung products na binibenta namin online dito sa YouTube channel ko. Now guys, our video is related to online selling. Yes guys, meron tayong bagong online selling video tip. As you can see sa title at saka sa thumbnail, it's best product to sell online. So, ang video ito guys ay para ito sa mga taong gustong magsimula ng online business nila at walang alam or siguro walang idea kung ano bang mga item na dapat ibebenta nila sa online guys or sa market. This item na ito guys, siguro hindi mo pa siya mabebenta. Siguro mabebenta mo siya ngayong taon na to, but hindi siya siguro priority ng mga tao. Kasi for this year, 2020, puro mga essentials and basic needs yung binibili ng mga tao guys. But if you are planning, or if you're looking forward for the next year and for the next following years, and I think this video is for you kasi pwede mo naman siyang ibenta, pwede ka naman mag-start ng inyong online business by next year, or you can start it right now. Pero hindi nga lang kagaano kaganda yung takbo na yung sales niya guys, kasi nga 'di ba nasa ano pa tayo, crisis. But for next year and for the following next years, yes, gaganda po ang bentahan sa mga items na ito. So, kung interesado ka, then keep on watching. Okay guys, I did my own research guys. Actually, ni-research ko ang mga bagay or mga item na ibebenta niyo online. Nag-research ako kung ano ba yung mga product or best product na maganda yung kita, maganda yung sales nila. And this data is actually according kang Shoppee at Lazada. So, ito yung mga categories kung saan mataas ang gross sales nila. Ito parang sabi-sabi ko lang, kundi nag-research po talaga ako na nakuha ko bang data ito online. Kaya sure akong may kita dito guys. Let's start for our number 1, and that is mom and baby products. When we say about mom and baby products, for the mommy, yung isa sa pinakamabenta is yung mga breastfeeding dress at saka breastfeeding bra. Ako kasi guys, almost 2 years po akong napa-breastfeed sa aking anak na si Mika. And for that almost 2 years guys, every time na aalis ako or lalabas kami ng bahay, I always make sure na yung susuotin ko is easy, na mahihila siya pababa. So, my boobs madali lang siyang ilabas para makadidi si Mika guys. And aside from that is I'm wearing a breastfeeding bra. Breastfeeding bra, let me just put here some photos. Bumili po kami niyan. Actually, it's very useful para sa mga mommy. As we all know guys, breastfeeding mommies are always at home lang, or siguro nag-browse sila online at naghahanap sila kung saan makakabili ng mga ganyan. And there are high numbers of breastfeeding moms who are looking for those kind of products. Now, For the kids naman guys, for the kids, of course, baby needs, like diaper, eater, kids clothing, and of course, toys guys. Yun yung mga example ng product under to mom and babies categories. Ikaw mismo, nafe-feel mo kung ibebenta mo ito, kailangan ba ito ng isang mommy? Kung ito namang item na to, ibebenta mo, you have to put yourself as an example kasi kung needed ba talaga ito ng mga mamimili or mga consumer guys. So, yun yung first category natin, okay? Second category guys is clothing. So, when we say about clothing, of course, it's gonna be trendy, cute, Korean style, guys. And as we all know, guys, Korean or K-pop, Korean or whatsoever, it's very popular here in Philippines. Siguro yung pinaka-the best talaga na supplier nyo na makikita yung mga trending na damit is makikita nyo mismo sa Taytay Tiangge, guys. I actually created a video and I will be putting it here kung paano kayo makahanap ng Taytay Tiangge supplier guys through online, even if without going to Taytay. So makikita nyo lang sila sa online guys. They will have different sample of dresses and items that they are selling. Third category is Korean skincare guys. Very popular na po kasi yung mga skincare ng Korean brand. Very popular po siya nowadays. It's because of the clear skin na gusto ni-achieve ng every Filipino or every Pinay guys. Kaya nandyan si aloe vera, soothing gel, si Nature Republic, very popular siya. Innisfree, yung mga ganong product guys, yun yung mga very popular nowadays. There is one vlogger na very popular because of her love about Korea, and she's Crystal. Yes, Crystal Vlogs guys. I really like her vlogs kasi nagba-vlog siya tungkol sa Korea, sa mga skincare ng Korea. And that might be one of the reason bakit naging mas popular pa dito yung Korean items sa Pilipinas. Okay, it's actually a fast-growing items or fast-growing products. Especially nowadays, marami na ring mga iba't ibang brand ng Korean products na naglalabasan talaga dyan. Saan-saan. Kahit even online guys, meron na din sila sa Shoppee. If you go to the section of overseas, makikita niyo sa overseas guys na meron dyang Korea at China. And mostly sa Korea guys, yung binibenta nila ay mga skincare products. And you can go and check out that one in the Shoppee. Another tip ko lang dyan, if you wanted to sell skincare, Korean skincare guys, I suggest gather muna kayo ng audience by creating videos. When we say creating videos, meaning you will be testing or you will be trying the Korean products. As you know guys, if you wanted to be an online seller, you must be the first one who will try out the product that you are selling, so that every time na may magtatanong sa iyo na customers, you will be able to answer these questions and inquiries kasi nga na-try mo na yung product guide. One of the best marketing tool that you can actually apply for this kind of product to sell online is to have a video on your Facebook page showing how to apply the product, how to avoid, what are the benefits by using the video guys. Kaya nga meron ding mga small YouTuber guys na nagiging popular or mas nag-hit yung mga video nila dahil nga maraming nagsisearch about skincare. And if you will start doing those kind of content din guys sa inyong video, of course, isasuggest yan ni Facebook. Yan yung pinaka-the best marketing na nagawa ko by creating videos, by showing my products that I'm using it, by showing my products, how effective it is, guys. And actually, ngayon din, since on hold yung yung Facebook page ko, guys, ang ginagawa ko na lang is, I'm actually having 1,700 likes sa Facebook page ko. Ito. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang, nag-create ako ng mga recent videos like makeup and then skincare, kasi once they like my content guys, or once they like my video, they will actually trust me kasi being honest ako para sa kanila. If one day I will be back to online selling, I would prefer to sell on skincare, Korean skincare. Now, if I already established my name na trusted ako na seller at saka user, so whatever introduce na product ko sa kanila, they will trust me because I have gained their trust na guys. And I think that should be one of the best thing that you can do is to gain trust from your customers, guys, or soon to be customers by creating video. Mentioned kanina, guys, I will be introducing to you our ALPHA lipid product, kung ano ba yung benefits. So, ALPHA lipid milk, guys, it has colostrum. When we say colostrum, guys, yun yung unang-unang first drop ng isang mommy na nagbe-breastfeed na kailangan madede ng kanilang baby to make them be healthier, guys. Once ininom din natin yung gatas na to, it will boost our immune system. It also says here, it provides almost the recommended daily intake of calcium along with many other vitamins and minerals and probiotics, making it unique synergistic formulation. Okay, guys, probiotics. So, I actually can say na probiotic siya because when I was starting first month or first to 2 months na naginom ako ng gatas nito, guys, actually, palagi po akong nagpupoop. So, parang twice or thrice akong nagpupoop, guys. Parang pinapalabas na yung dirt or toxic sa body ko. I can actually say na effective po siya. After ng 2 months, guys, okay na yung body ko. Hindi na ako nagpupoop at saka hindi na rin ako masyadong nag-fart. Okay. So, I don't want to intake actually vitamins, guys, for tablets. Way back on April, guys, almost mag-fail yung aking kidney. Ay, parang nasa na ako, boundary na ako ng normal ng kidney ko. And I was afraid. So, I was actually afraid to keep drinking medicine. Kasi nga, if I keep drinking medicines and vitamins, there's a possibility na hindi na ako sa boundary kundi mag-fail na talaga yung kidney ko. Ang ginawa ko, uminom lang ako nito. And then, I've been asked from the doctor, guys, to get a laboratory for my kidney. What I did, since ECQ kami, guys, at walang doktor na pwedeng gumawa ng procedure ito, kaya nag-wait ako up until ma-end yung ECQ namin, guys. So, it ended last June. So, from April to June, guys, inom lang ako ng gatas na to. For the first 4 days na may inom ako ng gatas ito, guys, bed rest ako. Hindi talaga ako wala akong ganang kumain, nilalagnat ako. Parang bang fina-flush out ni ALPHA lipid yung lahat ng sakit ko. I was having bleeding at that time, guys. Bleeding for the first 4 days, guys. And every time na nagbi-bleed, parang meron siyang mga maliliit na nilalabas. I can definitely say na maganda yung effect ng gatas niya kasi I had my laboratory last June, guys. Nag-negative po yung lab test ko. Naging clear po yung bladder ko. Wala na po akong nararamdaman at that time. But I still continue to drink the ALPHA lipid every now and then kasi nga it can boost our immune system. And nowadays kasi na nandiyan si COVID, guys, up until wala pang gamot ni COVID or wala pang vaccine ni COVID, umiinom lang muna kami nito just to boost our immune system para panglaban sa virus, guys. And if you wanted to order, of course, you can send me a message. I will be putting my Facebook account sa description box. You may send message, and if you have any inquiries, just ask. Or if you have any questions, guys, comment nyo lang sa baba, and I will definitely be replying to your questions. Fourth category is electronic accessories. Yes, guys, electronic accessories, which means can be a phone casing, headphone, iPad casing, tempered glasses. Actually, the tip for this, guys, is you need to be unique. So, I will be showing to you one of the product na binibenta ko last year, and up until now, medyo marami pa rin nag-inquire. Kaso nga lang, wala na akong supply. So, ito po siya, ito pong phone case na to. Magwa 1 year na po siya and still in good condition. Ang nakaganda kasi nito, guys, yung phone ko nandito. Nagre-record kasi siya, kaya nandyan siya ngayon, guys. So, yung phone ko nandito, guys, if i-flip ko lang siya, here you go, yung ID ko, and mayroon ako mga cards, like Emluelier, cash card ko, tsaka yung mga ATM ko. Nakita ko sa video ko po, guys, na very useful siya. It's because if I go out and I don't want to bring bag, I'll just bring my phone, guys, and a small pouch. A zipper for coins. If in case magbebenta kayo ng mga phone accessories or electronic accessories, you need to choose a product that unique, guys, in a way that you can market it for someone who is going to be useful in their life. And try mo muna yung product before nyong ibenta sa iba. When we actually introduce our product to the market, guys, one of the best thing for the marketing is to create a video. creating a video in a way that you are telling a story. How my phone case is very useful to you, how can it be very useful from others. Nag-i-English na naman ako guys, hindi ko matigilan. So I know guys, we're in the crisis, so it's up to you guys if gusto nyo simulan yung business nyo today in 2020 to establish a name and be able to brand your name for the next year. But it's up to you pa rin po if gusto nyo din i-on hold muna and next year na magsimula. Ginagawa ko po kasi ngayon sa milk tea ko guys. Ang ginagawa ko kasi is I've been working out for introducing my product and my services online. I'm creating more content sa aking Facebook page. So, by the next year na magiging okay ng lahat at maging normal na ang lahat, once they check my Facebook page, meron na silang mga details and informations na makikita. Meron silang mga products na makikita. And if nakita man nila yung product ngayon na taon na ito at undecided silang bumili, at least, every time na nakikita nila yan, magkaka-interesado sila. So, once magkaka-interesado sila, siguro by the next year, if ready na silang mag-purchase, is kaya yun yung ginagawa ko guys. In-introduce ko, pinapakita ko yung mga products ko sa kanila. I do hope na meron kayong natutunan at meron kayong idea na nakuha na naman. And of course guys, I will still be having more negosyo and online business ideas guys that you can sell online. And I do hope na mag-subscribe kayo at i-like nyo rin yung video ko guys, kasi when you like this video and if you believe to this channel guys, it will be a big help for me na i-suggest ni YouTube yung ating video guys and ang ating channel. So that's it. Thank you. Please do like this video if you like it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!